No moving triggers. No moving pump handle. Not even life size. Not looking like the real thing. What? Not even a rubber band gun. Not even a brick shooting model. So I set myself on a mission to build the ultimate jackhammer. But did I do it? Yes, I did, guys. Enjoy the video.
Mr. Gray.
I want that weapon, and I want it now.
Yeah. It's Mr. Gray. It's time to go to war. I'm an atom bomb knocking at your door. I heard your bitch ass screaming as soon as my Jordans hit the floor. Electrical storms swarming, devilish forms. The pestilence scorns when revelations forewarn. As Mayan times unwind, we still worship this wine. At the end of time, it's death's design. So I got a shitload of ammo, going up this bitch like John Rambo. Machete in my hand, voltage camo. I'm like the stars in the sky, supernova. I'm classic like a motherfucking drive-by. 1911, the year the 45 cow cried. And you know what? A bullet never lies. I love to hear the truth, especially when it rips through you. There ain't a damn thing that you can do when the tsunami pursues, except for pray to your God and hope that you have fast shoes. Sound the alarm. Seeing red, I'm on the front line, blinded by rays, nuclear sunset when I shoot. Sound the alarm. The only thing left, cue up the sad song. I leave a path of ashes, Mr. Grady. Sound the alarm. Seeing red, I'm on the front line, blinded by rays, nuclear sunset when I shoot. Sound the alarm. The only thing left, cue up the sad song. I leave a path of ashes, Mr. Grady atom bomb. I hope you're ready for your re-education, revolution through rap, readjusting revelations. I'm locked and loaded on the front line, blinded by rays, nuclear sunset when I shine. It ain't playtime, detonator in my hand, bomb in the back, murder on my mind. But it ain't like that, I just wanted some payback, a little revenge for when pop culture raped rap. I'm just a king that ain't been crowned, mean mug, my spur pump, you can call me Dark Cloud. It's hot as hell, I do my voodoo on the sun, sacrifice the snare, it's summon the kick drum. I'm a warlock that's versed in the dark arts, I start to